What's up traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are breaking down gold XAUUSD for next week. So we'll be looking at the key support and resistance levels which will guide us on what to expect from by next week as the market opens. I'm dropping this video on Saturday the 23rd of May at exactly 10:06 p.m. in Nigerian time. Gold closed bearish last week on Friday. Gold closed bearish on Friday, and from all indication we may see further bearish pressure, like further bearish movement, unless buyers stepping strongly into the market and protect the support level then and push the market back upwards. From what you can see now, if you see, gold is still in a strong bullish rally, still in a strong bullish trend. After it made all this movement, it went here and was rejected, pushed downwards. Buyers haven't been able to push it upwards again, and we are still seeing lower lows. But now currently we are not just looking at this place because we've talked about it all this way. If you have been following my channel, you see that I've mentioned about this severally. We've been talking about this upwards trend even since last 2 years. It came here and was rejected, so we won't be talking of it more. We've seen this rejection, we've seen it, we've marked several support and resistance level on this weekly time frame. But what we'll be looking at now, which is what will guide us is the recent reaction of gold. As you can see, it's when it came bearish, it closed bearish last week Friday, and it have been reacting on this particular place. So if anything happens, maybe buyers couldn't protect it, you will see sellers pushing it downwards, coming towards this place, and the moment they break this support level, this particular support level, then they have dominated the market and they are pushing it downwards. You may likely see it come around here, targeting this particular support level again, targeting this zone. So that is it for weekly time frame. That's what happened recently. Now gold kept reacting on this particular place. Now from this 44, let's use 4450 to 4500, just let's call it like that. Gold kept reacting on this place, like consolidating. So they are battling seriously because of this support level on this weekly time frame. So normally what we guide us very well is on the 4 hours time frame. Let's go there and see what the market looks like on the 4 hours time frame. Now you can see it, gold is in a strong bearish trend. You can see several lower lows. Let's compress the market a bit. You can see several lower lows. Just see it's in a strong bearish trend. It came here and was consolidating. It consolidated well last week on this particular region. So here now it's still consolidating here, but we don't know the direction gold is taking. What will guide us now is once the market opens next week, it's not that once the market opens you rush in and start trading. No, you come down and watch. If buyers succeed in protecting this place, if you can check, the thing is giving us a cone, like it's compressing. The market is compressing the same direction from here and the same direction from here, compressing, came to this place and got trapped. It got trapped here. So what we do now, once the market open, we come down and watch if buyers will be able to protect their support level now and push this back upwards. Maybe even if it's possible, if it can come and close above this one, let me say above here now. If anything happens now, and the candle moves up and close above, not just touching it and moving back, if it close above this one or even start closing from here now, it's a sign that maybe buyers are trying to dominate the market. Then if anything makes it cross this candle and close above this line, cross this line and close above it, then buyers are dominating. Definitely they are likely to push it to this first resistance level. We use it as first resistance level. They are likely to push it to this particular place. But if they don't, you will now see sellers pushing it downwards. And if sellers succeed in pushing this down to this place, maybe breaking this support level now, if sellers continue breaking this support level, then you will definitely see them push it further, coming to this particular, maybe let's use 4400. You see them come around this 4400 or down to 4300 or 4350, depending. So but anything that makes the market drops below this candle or above this candle, then that's a clear sign of picking direction. So guys, here mainly in trading gold, you don't rush the market. You just first of all come and watch, check the direction of the candle, check the nature of the market before you know what to do. So what you will do, guys, if anything makes the candle come around here and continue showing weak candles as it's showing, this weak candle is showing, is a kind of reduced pressure in momentum is reducing, so it's coming down. You get, like gold came here, it came impulsively, it came down impulsively, came here and was consolidating. That's a reduced pressure. You get, pressure is reducing, so buyers and sellers are battling to dominate again. Buyers want to protect their support level, while sellers want to push down and continue. So that's why you are seeing all these things here. So you don't need to just rush into the market. Always wait for confirmation before you make your execution or know what to do. So that's my kind support, that's my kind advice, guys. So always have patience. So price made several attempts, buyers made several attempts around this 4580, like trying to push the market upwards, but sellers continue rejecting it. Bearish pressure became more than the bullish pressure. They kept rejecting it, pushing it downwards, even broke this particular support level, came here, but finally at the end, now the market closed around 4500, around 45, and if you check this our support and resistance level, you see that it's almost, in fact, in the middle of it. So it was trapped and compressed. So that's what will tell us that there is a serious battle between buyers and sellers. So once the market opens next week, you calm down and know how to make your execution and what to do. So guys, for your trading, if you want to trade, if you want to make execution, you wait. The moment the candle gets around here, you watch for weak candles and this, but if it continues and the candle remain under this line, couldn't break it, then you can make your sell execution. Definitely it will come down. But if it or in the other way around, if it gets here and continue the same thing, you see it not doing this thing, then coming upwards, then it's a sign that it's not going any further down. You get, then in the main sense, the best option will be, I will advise you to wait once the candle breaks above this line. If it breaks above this line, pick a direction, then you now wait for a retest. It will definitely come down for a retest. Once it comes for a retest, a pullback, then you now buy the retest and set your take profit upwards. Always remember to set stop loss. Don't ever trade without setting your stop loss, because you are not the one in charge of the market. Can take any direction it wants. You are not the one controlling it. Then for downward movement, if the candle succeed in breaking below this line, if it breaks below this one, still the same thing, you wait for the pullback. Once it comes for a pullback, you buy the pullback, set your stop loss, set your take profit. That's just it, guy. If you found this analysis helpful or interesting to you, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to my channel so that you're getting more information on it, and also turn on your notifications so that whenever I drop my video, it will notify you that I've dropped. Then you come and watch it and know what the market is all about. Thank you, guys.